Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is illustration of complex number. Illustration means the statement of complex number. Complex number means the couple of two real numbers. One is pure real and other is imaginary. Pure real means unchangeable, means direct value. We cannot change the statement of value with respect to the arithmetic operation. And imaginary means changeable. Means we write the direct value, let's suppose 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on, and means imaginary means changeable, let's suppose minus 3 iota, 3 iota, 4 iota, minus 4 iota, and again we show that the two couple values, let's suppose 3 plus 4 iota means pure, real and imaginary. Again we convert it into, let's suppose with arithmetic operation 3 minus 4 iota means we have changed the values, means second imaginary means iota shows convert to the complex number. Again pure converted into the rational number and other is irrational number. Rational means such a value we can use we can in written form of p upon q form, and q does not equal to 0. P upon q form means we show in the fractional part means we show the number 1 is p means any value, q means any value. Again another value because and other rational other topic point would show the pure real, number 1 is rational and other is pure. Rational shows the p upon q form, but irrational means shows does not belong to p upon q form and q does not equal to means we have directed values of under square root of under root 2, under root 3 means under root 5. This is a rational number. And again rational converted into the two parts. Number 1 is integer, number 1 is second is fraction. Integer means such a value that we convert into with respect to the real line. Again 0 is the origin point of the line, means right side and left side. Means right side of 0 is positive value and left side is shows the negative value. Again second is a fraction. Fraction converted into the 2 points. Number 1 is common fraction and second is decimal fraction. Common fraction shows proper fraction, improper fraction and compound fraction. Proper fraction shows means such a value that in p upon q form means in a fraction part means numerator is less than the denominator is called proper fraction. Means let's suppose 3 upon 5 means 3 is less than 5. 3 shows the numerator and 5 shows the denominator. Again improper fraction means such a value we can in written form of p upon q means a fractional part. Again p is greater than q. P shows the numerator and q shows the denominator. Means again 5 upon 2 means this is a statement of improper fraction, means 5 is greater than 2. And third point of the common fraction is a compound fraction. Compound fraction means 1 whole 1 upon 3 means 1 whole 1 multiply with the proper fraction. 1 multiply with proper fraction. Proper fraction means shows the p upon q form, means numerator and denominator condition. Numerator is less than denominator. Again integer shows the positive, whole and negative. In the same statement positive shows the left hand side of the 0 shows negative and right side of the 0 is positive. And third is 0. 0 means shows the whole number convert into the natural, and 0 means natural number shows start from 1, 2, 3 up to so on. And second is 0 which shows belong the whole number, means 0 shows whole number, 0 is not positive, 0 not negative. 0 is only positive value, only even value shows the positive and negative. Let's suppose we take the value -1 is equal to, we add the 0 is equal to -10. But 0 does not change the statement of negative, and plus 1 we take the 0 plus 1 is equal to again 10 plus. But 0 does not change the statement of 1 plus 1, and again another value. Let's suppose -1 is a odd, plus 1 is odd. Means -1 we take the value 0, -1 convert into -10. Means odd convert into even and does not change the statement of negative, and plus 1 is odd, does not change the statement of plus, but odd numbers convert into the even. Again even -2 is equal to 20. Means we take the 0 with the -2 convert into -20. Means we take a value which is -2 but does not change the statement minus, but the statement changes only even. Again -3 30 means 3 minus 30 is equal to -3 is a odd convert into -30. Means -3 is odd convert into 30 means even value. Again this is a statement of 0 which shows with the whole number shows the integer. Means we take the any value from any set. Say let's suppose we have 1/3 or -2 or 5. We have three values and we justify the statement -2 belongs to the negative integer, and negative integer shows the integer shows the rational shows the pure real number is complete. And again is a 1/3 is a part of proper fraction because 1 is less than denominator. This is the proper fraction, the property of common fraction shows the fraction shows the rational shows the pure real is a complex. And again there is 5 which shows the whole natural number is positive integer or natural number. Whole natural number convert shows the whole number shows integer, or we take the integer shows with positive integer shows with integer. Means whole number belongs with integer, positive already belongs to integer. Means both are belongs to integer belongs to rational belongs to pure real, and pure real shows belongs to complex number. Thank you.